Hello and welcome to the next episode in the tutorial series, or this quickfire series. In today's episode, I'll be going over Lagrange points as well as their stabilization and how to use them to your benefit. So, what is a Lagrange point? A Lagrange point is a point that allows inter-system jumps, so close-in jumps between a Lagrange point and another Lagrange point. They are based off the mass of the planet they are orbiting or part of. And in Sol, Jupiter has its own Lagrange point that it creates. So if we go over to where Jupiter is, we can have a look. There's Jupiter's Lagrange point, standing over there. And I've also generated some Lagrange points here. So how does this work and why is it useful? So the way you generate a Lagrange point, I have a body here, is by stabilizing a Lagrange point on either a planet or a moon. Moons require that moons can be given Lagrange points, but they have to be at least 0.25 Earth mass. So keep that in mind. Now the rules behind stabilizing a Lagrange point are the following. So we're gonna just need to get rid of this one. We're gonna stabilize this, and I'll show you. So this will take 1,251 days and 20 hours. Now, that is based off the mass of the respective body. So if we open the system tab up here, due to the diameter, due to this, it requires that much time to complete Lagrange point. So the higher diameter they are, the easier it is. And it's why you're going to find a Lagrange point around like a gas giant like Jupiter. And you'll find them already in systems and so on and so forth. Now, I'm going to show you what happens when you use a Lagrange point. So we're going to get Earth Defense Squadron Alpha. I'm going to tell them go to Jupiter, please. So do an intra-system jump, do it through Phoebos. And what's gonna happen? No, I want you to go to there. I want you to go to Phoebos. I want you to go into Jupiter. There we go. So boop boop boop, and now it's over here. So this has a lot of benefits because let's say I want to haul freight more easily from Saturn, from the moons of Saturn. So I already have stuff going back and forth here. I can generate a Lagrange point on the moon, and then I can put a Lagrange point on Saturn, and I can have almost instantaneous travel distance. So this can be extremely beneficial. The next part I'm going to go over is how to do it in Space Master. So you can add a Lagrange point to a body, just like, I'm going to add one to Saturn. Got a Lagrange point. Okay. And you can also, if you create a system, if you create a system, you are able to do it as well. I will put up here adding moons and Lagrange points, the screenshot on the page. I'll just let that go. And I will also be linking Lagrange points for moons and for the changes for moons, because in C you can do moons now, and also adding moons and Lagrange points in Star System Design. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned about Lagrange and how that works out. And I'll see you next time when we will be going over whatever is next suggested. I'm looking at ship combat and genocide. We will see what's next. I presume a lot of people want genocide, but please like and subscribe. Only around 20% of people are actually who come to my channel actually do subscribe. So the more people that subscribe, the more people that these videos will reach, and the more that they'll be able to learn. So please definitely do so. I'll see you next time.